Make a chain of 14 like this one. Then we are going to work on the fourth chain from the crochet hook. 1, 2, 3. Go through the fourth chain. You go through 2 loops of the fourth chain. Make a double crochet. Make another double crochet in the same chain space. The skipped chain 3 plus 2 double crochets in the same chain space, those are 3. In the next 9 chain spaces, make 1 double crochet into each one of them. You still go through 2 loops of each chain and make a double crochet. This is 1. Go to the next chain space, going through 2 loops and make a double crochet. Continue until you make 9. In the remaining 1 chain space, I'm going to make 6 double crochets in the same chain space. 1 double crochet, make the second and continue until you have 6 double crochets in the last chain space. 2. Once you have the 6 double crochets in the same chain space, make 9 double crochets going to the beginning point. 1 double crochet into every stitch for the next 9 stitches. 1, go to the next stitch, make 1 double crochet and continue until you make 9. Then in this chain space where I made 3 double crochets, I'm adding 3 more to make them 6. 1, 2 and 3 double crochets in the same chain space. Now they are 6. Slip stitch into the chain 3. The chain 3 we skipped 1, 2, 3 to close the round. You go through 2 loops of the chain 3 and slip stitch. To begin the next round, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. The chain 3 is counted as a double crochet. Make another double crochet in the same place where I slip stitched to make them 2. In the next 2 stitches, make 2 double crochets into each one of them. 1 and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Go to the next stitch, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. In the next 9 stitches, make 1 double crochet into each one of them. 1 double crochet, go to the second stitch, 1 double crochet, continue until you make 9. In the next 6 stitches, make 2 double crochets into each one of them. 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Continue until you finish all the 6. After making 2 double crochets into every stitch for 6 stitches, the remaining stitches repeat what we did this side. 9 double crochets in the next 9 stitches. The remaining 3 stitches, 2 double crochets into each one of them. Then slip stitch into this first double crochet to close the round. Chain 1. I'm marking this is where I will slip stitch at the end of the round. The chain 1 counts as a single crochet in this stitch. Go to the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Go to the next, make 1 single crochet and continue making 1 single crochet into every stitch. We are not going to make any increase. 1 single crochet into every stitch until you come back to the beginning. 1 single crochet into every stitch across. Then slip stitch in the stitch marker. This was the chain 1 I made at the beginning of the round. Slip stitch to close the round. Then I'm going to mark here. Slip stitch into every stitch across. Slip stitch loosely into every stitch across until you get back to the stitch marker. Slip stitch into every stitch. When you get at the end, slip stitch into the first slip stitch. I will attach my yarn here in the middle stitch, going through back loops. We have 2 loops this side and 2 loops that other side. I'm going to work on these 2 loops facing the other side. Chain 1 and fasten. Chain 1, make 1 half double crochet in the same stitch. Go to the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. This is 2. Go to the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Three. Go to the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. 4. Go to the next, make 1 half double crochet. 5. Go to the next, make 1 half double crochet. 6. Then begin making 1 single crochet. 1. Go to the next. 2. Continue making 1 single crochet until you make 30 single crochets. The remaining 6 stitches, make 6 half double crochets. At the end of the round, slip stitch into the first half double crochet to close the round. Make 2 more rows the same way we have made this row. You chain 1, make 1 half double crochet in the same stitch. Go to the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. You make 6 half double crochets, 30 single crochets, 6 half double crochets. Repeat that for row 2 and 3. This is what I have at the end of round 3. Slip stitch to close the round and cut. Fold into 2. Follow this midline to identify the middle stitch at the front. Then we are going to work on 5 stitches. You count 2 stitches this side and 2 stitches this side plus the marked, those are 5. From this marked stitch 1, 2, I will attach my yarn here and work 5 stitches from back loops. Instead of going through 2 loops, you go through 1 loop only. Chain 1 and fasten. Make 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Go to the next stitch from the back loop, make a single crochet, 2. Go to the next, 3. Go to the next, 4. Go to the next, 5. In order to turn and begin working row 2, I need to add 2 more stitches this side. This is 6 and the next 7. You turn without chaining, skip 1 stitch, go through the next, make a single crochet and continue making 1 single crochet across. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Add 2 more stitches this side, still working through these inner loops. 1 and 2. To begin row 3, you turn without chaining. Skip the first stitch, make 7 single crochets across. 1, 2, continue, and 7. Then add 2 more stitches this side. 1, go to the next. 2, you turn without chaining, you continue working that way, you skip the first stitch, work in all the stitches, add 2 more stitches, turn without chaining, skip the first stitch, work on all stitches, add 2 more, work row 4 and 5 following the pattern on the screen. This is the end of row 5. To begin row 6, turn without chaining. Then from row 6 to row 10, we are going to do it the same way. We have been skipping 1. Now we skip 2 stitches. Go to the third stitch. Make a single crochet in the next 8 stitches. 1. Go to the next. 2. Continue until you make 8. I have made 7. This is 8. After making 8 single crochets, you add 2 more. This is 1 and 2. You turn without chaining. This is row 7. I'm at round 10. I have made 8 single crochets across. I will add 2 more. 1 and 2. Turn without chaining, skip 2 stitches. 1, 2, slip stitch in the third stitch. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Make a double crochet in the same stitch I slip stitched and chained 3. Make 7 double crochets across. 1 double crochet, go to the next. 2, continue until you make 7. This is 7 double crochets. Then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch where I made the 7th double crochet. Slip stitch in the next stitch. Slip stitch at the joint here. Then I'm going to make 1 single crochet into every stitch across. Now I'm going through 2 loops, not the back loops. Make 1 single crochet into every stitch across, going to the other side. Continue making 1 single crochet across. Make 1 single crochet into every stitch across, including this joint where we joined the front to this side. Make 1 slip stitch in the next stitch and cut. I will attach my yarn in these front loops. These loops that we didn't work, we were working on back loops. I will attach my yarn here. Go to the next stitch, this loop. You go to the next one. Go to the next. Go to the next. And repeat that until you get to this side. Make a chain of 12 stitches. Skip the first 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Go through the 4th chain. Make 1 double crochet and continue making 1 double crochet until you finish all the 9 chain spaces. You make 9 double crochets across. At the end, chain 1 and cut. Then I will attach it here at the joint between these double crochets and the last row of single crochets using a slip stitch. That marks the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like my video. Then I will see you in the next tutorial.